guys, it's Eva. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make fluffy slides, and this is what they look like. They're super fluffy for a good price. So yeah, let's just get right on with the video. I forgot to say this, but before I start the video, make sure y'all go right now and drop video ideas or whatever y'all want to see me do for a video. So video suggestions, like literally anything, just leave it down in the comments right now, and if you do, I might pick your suggestion and do the video. So yeah, so what you're gonna need is any pair of slides, and I just got these at Walmart. They were $5.98. And then what you'll need is feather boa. You can get it at, I got mine at Hobby Lobby for $3.99, so basically $4. And you need 2 of these, and this is what they look like. This is the fluffy stuff that you put on them. And then you'll need a hot glue gun with hot glue sticks, and you'll need some scissors. So first I'm gonna just take off the packaging to the slides. And then I'm gonna take a packaging off of this. And this stuff does get like everywhere, so be prepared for that. So basically what you're gonna do is pick your end, and then just, this is how it's gonna be laid out. So you put it in like on the bottom right there, and you're gonna like wrap it around like this, like zigzagged, until you get it how you want it. But first I'm gonna just cut this little end off. And now I'm about to start gluing. And start from right here. And just put it along the line. Then take your slide and then just attach it to the end. And then hold it down for like 20 seconds, so you make sure it sticks. Then once it's stuck down, put another line of glue. It's okay if you get it on the feather a little bit. And then just take it and go the other way like this and press it down. And then you're gonna basically do the same thing until you get to the end of the slide. So once you get the fluffy stuff all the way around the slide, you can like add on this extra stuff around it if you want it like more fluffier like that. And that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah. So this is what the first one turned out like. I just got done with it. And yeah, it's like really fluffy. I think this one's like came out fluffier as the ones I made before. Hold on, I'm gonna go see. Yeah, these came out like way fluffier. But yeah, just let them like sit out, like, cause I can tell, like, I can feel it. It's like still pretty hot from the glue. But yeah, just let it like sit for like 30 minutes. Let it cool down. Make sure everything is stuck, and then you could probably wear them after like 30 minutes. But I'm gonna do the next one now, and I'm gonna make it a time lapse so it goes by really fast. Move my camera right here because my ring light thingy kept making my phone fall, so I just moved. So I just got done making them, and I didn't feel like putting my camera back up on that thing. So yeah, but this is what they look like. Super fluffy. They're like huge. But hold on, I'm gonna turn the camera around and show y'all. But yeah, they turned out pretty good. And you might want to cut the sides if they like touch the bottom, because you don't want to step on it and trip, because if you do that, like, this stuff will peel off because it's just hot glue. But if it peels off, you can just always hot glue it back down and where it needs to be. But that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.